Hello everyone. Once again, this is teacher Charlene. Alright? So, for this day, our topic would be hardware and software. Let's discuss first. Let us know what is the competency or the objective that we have to accomplish in this lesson. So, our competency is utilizes art skills in using new technologies such as hardware and software. Now, let's have this all about digital painting. So digital painting is an emerging art form in which traditional painting techniques such as watercolor, oils, impasto, etc. are applied using digital tools by means of a computer, a graphic tablet and stylus, and software. Alright, so when we say digital painting, so dati, we just have traditional painting. A traditional painting makes use of canvas, no? Water-based colors, mga paint talaga, mga pintura talaga yung ginagamit. Brush, yan. Okay? So, this time when we say digital painting, ito yung nagpipaint ka with the use of the technology. Gumagamit na tayo dito ng mga gamit such as computer, a tablet and stylus, okay? And software. Pag sinabi nating stylus, ito yung digital pen, no? Ito yung ginagamit pang draw using that graphic tablet. Alright? So, digital painting, it is a painting with the use of computers and other technological devices. Let's move on. So, let us discuss first about hardware. So, hardware refers to the physical elements of a computer. What do we mean by that? Okay, so when we say hardware, okay, these are the physical parts of the computer that you can touch and you can see. Ito yung mga nakikita mo at nahahawakan mo, okay, sa isang computer. So, what are these? We have the computer itself or a desktop or a laptop, okay? We have the digital tablet and stylus. We also have scanner. Pwede rin yung mouse, okay? Keyboard, alright? Yan yung mga outside na hardware na nakikita natin. While we also have parts like hardware na yung parts ng computer na nasa loob, such as yung mga memories, ayan. The motherboard, that's also an example of hardware. Pero nasa loob siya mismo ng computer or ng laptop. Okay? So, ito yung mga pyesa na natatouch mo, nahahawakan at nakikita. We call them hardware. Next. So, let us discuss what is a computer. So, computer, obviously, you need a computer and operating system to run on to create a digital painting. It is important that your computer is powerful enough to run software programs. Having as much random access memory or yung tinatawag nating RAM as you can be a feature to consider in successful digital painting. The more stored applications, programs, and operating systems your computer has, the faster it can process things like computer command as example. Alright? So, computer, ito yung basically na kailangan para makagawa ka ng digital painting. So, computer can help us to do our work with ease. Mas napapadali yung mga trabaho natin, no? So, that's it. Next, we have the scanner. Scanner, it is absolutely essential to digital painting. Without one, you cannot digitize your artwork. It is also useful for scanning textures like real canvas and watercolor paper to make texture supports or patterns which you can apply as backgrounds for paintings. So, kailangan daw din yung scanner para maging mas materialize yung iyong digital painting. Kasi, ano ba yung scanner? Heto yung parang Xerox machine siya. Okay? So, yung printer, sometimes you can buy printer na meron na ring scanner. So, yung scanner na yun, pag in-scan niya yung isang material, Okay? Lalabas siya mismo, masasave siya mismo sa iyong device, which is the computer or the laptop. Okay? Next, we have the digital tablet and stylus. A real-world brush changes the way it deposits paints when its shape changes. Push down on a brush tip and spread out the bristles. Make the stroke larger and the shape 11 changes. Tilt brush and again, the shape changes, depositing paint in a different way. These features can now be done with varying degrees of success using a pen stylus or yung tinatawag nating pen tool to make marks and digital tablet to communicate directions to the computer. Okay? So, yung digital tablet and stylus, mas maliit siya, okay? Mas portable siya. Okay? So, dito, mas nakokontrol mo, kumbaga yung stylus siya yung magiging brush mo. Okay? Kung paano stroke mo siya nilagay, ganun ang lalabas doon sa iyong digital tablet. Now, we're done with computer hardware. This time, let us have the computer software. What is all about computer software? So, computer software, this is a collection of data or computer instructions that tell the computer how to work. So, these are set of instructions. It is shown on your desktop or on your laptop in the form of an icon. So, comparatively, yung hardware, nakikita sila at nahahawakan, while software, hindi sila. Hindi sila nahahawakan, nor we cannot touch them or feel them. So, digital paintings such as Corel Painter, the Inkscape, Adobe Photoshop, ArtRage, GIMP, Krita, and Open Canvas give artists a similar environment to a physical painter. A canvas, painting tools, mixing palettes, and a multitude of color options. Okay? So, when we say computer software, we cannot, these are just set of instructions. Again, contrast with the hardware, we cannot touch them or feel them. Now, let us have this activity in your learning activity sheets. For activity number 1, tell whether the following is a hardware or software tool. Just write H for hardware and S for software. Alright? So, the item is from 1 to 10. We have the first one, we have the Inkscape, 2, mouse, 3, Paint 3D, 4, tablet, 5, open canvas, 6, phone, 7, computer, 8, digital camera, 9, Adobe Photoshop, and 10 is the scanner. Now, for activity 2, click or visit the link below. So, this is the link. Watch the tutorial session in using Inkscape application. After watching the tutorial, try to practice creating simple logo using the application. So you will just click this link, copy this link, alright, so that you can learn how to use the Inkscape application. So Inkscape application, this is an application for digital painting. It's one of the softwares na pwede mong gamitin. And then for activity 3, create your own digital logo using the different applications, either on laptop, computer or tablet, or Android devices, or manually drawn. Kung wala talagang digital devices, you can just make use of a bond paper, alright, handwriting na lang. You can take picture of your work after you had finished working, right? So in here, you will just create a digital logo, a digital logo. Okay? So this is the rubric on how you're going to be scored. So we have 3 indicators here. So the first one, the digital logo design is a unique and distinctive. Second, the digital logo is attractive. And the third one, the work submitted is neat, complete, and on time. And then the scale is from 1 to 5. 5 is the highest, while 1 is the lowest score. Alright? So that's it. That's the end of our activity. Then on the last part, we have the reflection. So all throughout the lesson, what concepts or ideas did you get? You just share it and write here in the box. Alright? So happy learning, everyone.